Hi, this is Bamba. Today I'm gonna show you a new wax pen called the Melter by Dazzvape. So let's check this out. So let's unbox the Melter. So here's the box. And as you can see, here's the security code. So if you want to check the legitimacy, just scratch it below and go to the website. Now, the Melter comes up with the device itself, and it includes a USB charging cable, a ceramic drip tip, a manual, and a scooper for the wax. Now here's the 510 drip tip. Then here's the top cap, magnetic top cap, and here's the titanium quartz coil. Then if you want to turn it on, just press it 5 times and you're ready to go. Now if you want to check the battery life, just look at the light. If it is in white, then it's in 70 to 100%, and if it turns blue, it will be in the mid level, and when it comes low, it will become red. So if you want to put the wax, just go to the bottom of the device, twist it, here we go. Now if you want to clean it, just disassemble all the parts, including the titanium quartz coil, rinse it, then let it dry. So here's the Melter by Dazzvape. So what are my thoughts? It's really handy and classy, very easy to use, and the flavor has clear and clean taste because of the titanium and quartz coil. So if you're looking for flavorful wax device, then Melter here is the best for you.